Verify thermostat operation immediately after wiring by running precise heat, cool, and fan tests and confirming correct furnace and condenser responses, plus observing proper delays and fan speed changes. Start by confirming the thermostat is powered correctly and the common wire, if required, shows steady 5 to 24 volts, depending on system. If you do not see expected voltage, stop and recheck connections at the furnace control board because powering a thermostat with the wrong voltage will damage it. Next, set the stat to heat and raise the set point several degrees above ambient, then watch the furnace. Inducer or draft fan should start within the manufacturer specified time frame. The gas valve or ignition sequence must follow the control board timing, and the main blower should come on after the heat exchanger reaches temperature. If the blower runs immediately, you likely wired the fan wire incorrectly. Switch to cool and lower the set point. Condenser outside should start within a similar safe delay. The compressor contactor should engage cleanly, and the indoor fan should switch to the appropriate speed for cooling. If the condenser cycles rapidly or the compressor hums without full engagement, check the wiring for common and Y terminal errors and verify the thermostat match for single-stage versus two-stage systems. Test the fan-only mode to ensure the fan relay and fan speed control are responding to the correct terminal. A constant high-speed fan on all modes signals incorrect fan to speed mapping at the thermostat or an incompatible thermostat fan control. Measure temperature differential across the evaporator coil after 10 to 15 minutes to confirm sensible cooling performance. Large deviations point to refrigerant or airflow issues rather than thermostat problems, but still indicate the thermostat set point and staging must be reviewed. Verify delays. Many modern systems include built-in compressor short-cycle protection. Ensure your thermostat respects the minimum off time and does not attempt rapid restarts. If it does, enable the protector or change thermostat settings. Finally, document each test result with times and behaviors so you can trace intermittent faults and provide a clear report to the homeowner or technician. One of the biggest issues is incorrect thermostat wiring causing heating not to start, with search engine optimization keywords like thermostat wiring, furnace not starting, and wiring diagram. Fix by comparing the thermostat wire colors to the furnace control board labels, using a multimeter to verify voltage between the common and power terminals, and consulting the equipment manual to map non-standard color codes. One of the top mistakes is misconfigured thermostat settings that prevent correct cooling operation. Using keywords thermostat settings, cooling not working, and compressor short cycling. Fix by confirming single stage versus multi-stage configuration, setting appropriate deadbands and minimum off times, and verifying that the thermostat's fan control matches the system type. One of the common problems is improper fan control causing constant or no airflow, with keywords fan control, blower not running, and thermostat fan wiring. Fix by testing fan-only mode, tracing the G and fan speed wires back to the control board, and, if needed, swapping to a thermostat model that supports adjustable fan speeds or using a relay interface. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted contractors and project examples specifically for thermostat wiring and HVAC replacement work, making it easy for homeowners to find certified help. The directory also helps contractors win jobs by showcasing credentials, reviews, and local service areas so homeowners connect with trusted pros for safe, effective thermostat installations.